Hello?
Hello? This
Hi.
is George Riley.
Who?
How are you?
Hello?
Look, this is the last time I'm calling.
Mister, would you please...
Tell your kids to stay off my lawn. They keep coming over and ruining my petunias.
Do you know who you're talking to? This is
What
the
is so
police.
hard to
This is the
understand?
police department. What do you
I
want?
don't want them over here anymore.
What do you want? This is the police department. What do you want?
I darn almost had a heart attack.
That's your own fault because you're calling the wrong people. You're calling the wrong
What do you mean?
people. Do you understand that? You are calling the wrong
But they
people.
need to learn some respect. In my day, I get a beating for acting up like them. You should be showing them how to respect the elders.
Well, why don't you have
What?
respect then? You don't have respect for me. I am
Next time
89
they're
years
over here,
old.
I'll teach them a lesson.
Go ahead and teach them a lesson.